Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So today I wanted to talk to you about like LCI's Level Up system, right? So basically in the store, we carry a couple products that I think you might be interested in. One, obviously, everybody knows as the big red jack. This is the Andersen trailer jack block. These jack blocks are designed to support the leg weight of this. This is actually a damaged leg that we use in the store to show people an example of how to use these products. So the Andersen buckets are magnetic. So when you travel with the coach and you're going to set up, these will just quickly snap on. You don't want to travel with them on. These are designed to hold up to 6,000 pounds per leg. So whether you're just using them for the front two jack legs, or maybe you have a 4-point system or a 6-point system, that's going to determine how many buckets you're going to need. But these are to help reduce the drop or thrust, you would say, in how long that leg has to extend. So depending on how level you are, maybe the surface is a lot lower on one side and higher on the other side, you could use these legs to help compensate and also to help speed up the time for when you are leveling. Again, they're magnetic, and as you can see how I lifted this off, they stay onto the actual leg itself. The last thing I wanted to talk about is snap pad.